Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python Programming for Beginners, a Usborne-inspired tutorial. Introduction. Welcome to the world of programming with Python. This tutorial is designed for beginners who are eager to learn the fundamentals of coding using the Python programming language. Inspired by the engaging and interactive style of Usborne's programming books, we'll walk you through the basics step by step, providing code examples and explanations along the way. Table of Contents. Getting started. 1.1 Installing Python. 1.2 Setting up a development environment. 1.3 Your first Python program. Variables and data types. 2.1 Understanding variables. 2.2 Data types in Python. 2.3 Working with strings, numbers, and booleans. 2.4 Type conversion. Control flow. 3.1 Conditional statements, if, elif, else. 3.2 Loops, for, while. 3.3 Using break and continue statements. 3.4 Logical operators. Functions. 4.1 Defining functions. 4.2 Function parameters and return values. 4.3 Scope and lifetime of variables. 4.4 Recursive functions. Lists and dictionaries. 5.1 Introduction to lists. 5.2 Accessing and modifying list elements. 5.3 Working with dictionaries. 5.4 List and dictionary comprehensions. File handling. 6.1 Reading from and writing to files. 6.2 Handling exceptions. 6.3 File modes, read, write, append. Introduction to Object-Oriented Programming, OOP. 7.1 Classes and objects. 7.2 Attributes and methods. 7.3 Inheritance and polymorphism. Simple projects. 8.1 Building a to-do list application. 8.2 Creating a basic calculator. 8.3 Building a guess the number game. Conclusion. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid foundation in Python programming. Remember, coding is a skill that improves with practice, so don't hesitate to experiment with your own ideas and projects. Happy coding! Note, for code examples and further details, refer to the accompanying Usborne-inspired PDF that includes interactive illustrations and exercises. ChatGPT.